anything, mama, we ever buy that. No, I come by a girl close. I mean, I see the boy if he call me out, make me a good out the road. I'm a nice to get, and if a boy get me, I go easy to let. Promise, me no see the girl where to run up on my panic. Now watch your pretty face, head be up like a bunny. You don't see me explosive. And in the game I play, me a feel it calm and I take close. Swear that I the truth. I regular me a fi kill a boy loose. In the game I play.
Welcome back to my channel. You don't know this is a Sassy Diva and I'm here with another video. This video was requested by Janet from the A&G team. She asked me to do a brow tutorial, so I'ma try. Bro, them want shave up still, but girl, I gotta try work her magic, so stay tuned for the video. Alright, so start by drawing the shape of the brows. It don't matter if it messed up because you're going to use the concealer to clean it up in the end. So let me fill it in. So draw the shape for the brows, you fill it in, and then finish filling it in, then you use the concealer to clean it up. And use a spoon, and then you can fill it in. If you like it want to fill in some more, you can always add more. And for the concealer, normally we use a lighter shade under the brows and the shade of your foundation at the top, but this is just for the tutorial purpose. I'm just gonna use the shade that I would normally use at the top to clean it up. So I can't find the longer one, so I'm using the short. Just take your time. Please have to clean it up. No rush, just take your own time. Also do it like this so you can get the ideal shape that you want. Then you all up, you get this sort of arch shape. So I blend it in. My fur feel like it has slipped. I don't know watch my hairstyle, man. I'm not finish my hair yet. I'm gonna stop so I can do the makeup brow tutorial. So come up top, you do the same thing. Just take your time. So it's line getting right, so shape that you just conceal till you get the ideal shape that you want. Hope my hand not blocking now. And guys, it not care if your makeup one cheap or expensive, it's how you apply it that counts. See? Alright, I'm gonna done blend it out now. I'm gonna wipe off the excess that is on it. I'm just gonna use the same one brush and blend it. There you go. You can do yours dark. I'm like my one, I like it too dark. You can go a bit darker if you want. You can also use the liquid ones. I don't use liquid because I don't think I can manage liquid yet. That's the finished look. Well, one look bigger than one now. The one here look higher than the one here. So, anyways, don't watch that. But one pan camera, one off camera. But yeah, this one kind of looks a bit higher. I'm gonna take off a little of it. Every morning, I'll go start my wine. I'll go do my fish, carry and desserts. By the time I come back, I don't time. I go cook, eat, sleep. No time for more things. Oh, she's my boyfriend. Where's my boyfriend? How am I? You man, you be a big girl. Boy, yeah. Boy, so everything I move, that's the girl committing. Alright then, yeah, look how. Alright, so that's the finished look of the brows. Yeah, so that's the end of the video. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Well, one of them look. I hope so. I want to look what doing so, but that's on my face there, so I'm not watching that. One always higher up than the other one. Big up on a nice clean stuff and out.